How to make keto chocolate stuffed granola bars, keto dessert recipe. The ingredients. For granola: 1 cup sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup hemp seeds, 1 cup unsweetened toasted coconut flakes, 4 tablespoons low-carb brown sugar replacement, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. For chocolate: 13.5 ounce canned coconut milk, refrigerated plus liquid thrown out, ½ cup almond butter, 4 ounce unsweetened baking chocolate, ½ cup low-carb brown sugar replacement. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 3. Add the sunflower seeds, coconut flakes, and hemp seeds to a food processor. Pulse until it is a fine powder. Add in the coconut oil and pulse again. 4. Transfer to a glass bowl and put in the microwave for 3 minutes total, taking it out every 30 seconds to stir. 5. Split the mixture in half. Pour half into the baking sheet and push down firmly to form. Set the other half aside for now. 6. In a saucepan over medium heat, add the solids from the canned coconut milk and brown sugar replacement. 7. Let simmer for 5 minutes, then remove from heat. 8. Whisk in the chocolate. Once melted, add back to the heat. Add in the almond butter and whisk until smooth. 9. Pour the chocolate mixture on top of the granola mixture in the baking pan. Then, layer it with the other half of the granola. Let set in the freezer for 60 minutes. 10. Cut, serve, and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 12 servings of keto chocolate stuffed granola bars. Each serving comes out to be 324 calories, 29.4 grams fat, 4.6 grams net carbs, and 7.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.